Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Learn Cybersecurity BD. This is MD Joshim with you all as always, where we'll explore the fascinating world of cybersecurity tools and techniques. Today we'll dive into a tool that is powerful as it is essential, Bettercap. Now, why is Bettercap a big deal? It is cutting-edge tool that let you perform network analysis, packet manipulation, and man-in-the-middle attacks, and many more. Whether you are debugging network issues or conducting ethical hacking, Bettercap is your ultimate go-to. But here's the catch. Installing Bettercap, especially for UI mode, can come with its fair share of challenges. And trust me, these hurdles are something every pen tester needs to know how to overcome. That's why in this video I will guide you step by step through installing process for Bettercap on Kali Linux, showing you how to set up both CLI and web-based UI. Now, here is the exciting part. After just a few moments, I will be demonstrating you exact difficulties of you might be faced during the installation and how to fix them like a pro. So, if you have struggled to get Bettercap running on just want to unlock full potential, you are in the right place. Keep watching because we are about to make sure you're mastering the tool from start to end. We came in our terminal in Kali Linux. At first checking the Bettercap installed or not. Sudo service Bettercap status. I've checked Bettercap has not been installed here. Bettercap service could not be found. So we will install first sudo apt install Bettercap. Installation will be started. Continue yes, Y, hitting enter. It is now installing and downloading the files. It will take time as my internet is slow. So I will push the video here and will resume shortly. Installing Bettercap and installing the dependencies, Bettercap caplets. As you may also know, Bettercap has two modes, CLI and GUI or UI interface. We are installing now both CLI and UI interfaces. See, Bettercap installation done. So after installation, I will check Bettercap has installed or not. Sudo apt sudo service Bettercap status. Here is we have already been installed Bettercap here, so no issues. We will go forward to UI mode check. For UI mode, we'll start the command sudo Bettercap caplet http UI. Here you see in the screen some error. Don't worry, we'll solve this issue. Here is error is 8081 port already been used. So we will check which port using this 8081, which application using this. So we will go in terminal sudo ls of -i clone 8081. That will show which application 8081 port are using. Now 8081, as I have tried earlier, this is showing. Look at this, Bettercap is already been using this port, and PID or process ID number 3437 is using this port. So I'll kill this process, sudo kill 9 state. In my case, my process ID is 3447. Maybe it can be different in your case. So 3447, I'll kill the process. 3447. After that, I'll check again. sudo Bettercap caplet HTTP UI. Then it will show. Hit enter. Now it's showing the services has been started and my IP is 127.0.0.1 and the port is 8081. In the next phase, we will check update of Bettercap, checking the 8081 port here. In my browser, this is not working. It's not working. We'll work on it later. But after going this process, we'll update the Bettercap UI. So how do I update the UI of Bettercap? Let's doing for this. I exit the process, clear the screen, sudo Bettercap eval caplets update. I'll update the caplets. I'll update the UI.updates semicolon UI.reload. It will reload the UI. It will update the caplets and update the UI. So started, module was started, caplets updated, UI checking stable release, and UI is downloading now. After downloading this process, it will show the message again. My version is 1.3.0. Here is the updates. It will take some time. Caplet update, UI update, and UI reload. All the process done, showing some error. We will solve this. Stay tuned. Now we'll go to another process. This is port changing. How do we change the ports? I have already shown you 8081 my port. If I need to change the port of Bettercap that Bettercap using, so what can I do? I do cd user share Bettercap caplets. This folder will hold the files user share Bettercap caplets. We'll go through the folder, and if I do ls, here showing, look at the screen, http UI.cap. This file is holding the ports and IP. So if I need to change this, I need to nano http UI.cap. That is, I need to change this file. Here's the showing 1270.0.1 and the port is 8081. If I change the port 8082, change the 82 and hitting Ctrl O to override this, enter and exit, Ctrl X. Done. I came in terminal here, clear the screen. Now I will go to my monitoring mode, open the monitoring mode again. It's showing the port has been changed, 8082. I have opened monitoring mode, UI mode again, and it's showing 808 port has been changed. Now we came in our terminal again. Here is the main thing that we need to do. We are linking a folder of user share Bettercap. This folder will be linked to another folder. That is, I am linking the folder or replacing the folder to another location. User local share. User share Bettercap, sorry, it will be ln linked ln linking the folder sf user hyphen sf user local folder, hold the Bettercap, enter, done. We have done all the process. Now we will check our Bettercap is working or not. We will go to our terminal and started the UI again. Caplet, it has been started, doing good. All the services started, API reset started, HTTP server started, HTTP server. And if we go to our browser and paste our link, it is working. We are logging default username and password, admin. This is how UI mode install, Bettercap UI mode install, and it's working. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Stay with us. Take care.